Hello, it's James from Automatic Trading Signals. I want to show you the RD3 running on a 3-minute chart. I have that on the screen now. You can see the indicators lighting up. On the bottom we have a histogram and it's red. A red histogram means we're looking for a short trade. We have the RD3 overlay indicator painting on the chart, and you can see when the histogram has a red dot at the top, there will be a corresponding red dot on the overlay, and that indicates that the RD3 has entered stage 1. And stage 1 is it's basically a state that the RD3 is in, where it will then start to look for price levels on following bars that reach a certain price level. And those price levels are drawn on the screen. If you look closely over here, you can see on the prior day these were the levels, and when this blue bar closed above it, a couple of arrows were drawn there to show that we breached those levels at the close of the bar, and we enter a short trade at the open of the next bar. This short trade was closed at the end of the day for a slight gain. Had we held it overnight, this is where we would have exited. The RD3 on the 3-minute chart can be configured to hold overnight if you want to, and it actually performs a little bit better. But all of the performance that I list on the website, it's really showcasing it closing at the end of the day. Just to be a true day trading system, that's what you would want it to do. A lot of people don't like to hold overnight. I understand that. Okay, so I'm running this on Market Replay just to give me the opportunity to talk to you about a trade that I know is going to unfold. And it would be very difficult to do this on a live trade. So one's going to happen around 10 o'clock. I'm going to pause the video until we get to that point, and then I'll talk about what's going to happen next. Before I go, you can see here on this bar we have a stage 1 that's starting to unfold on the histogram. And that's the indication that if this bar closed, well, this was a red dot there, you get a red dot here as well on the overlay, and you'll see the two lines. You'll see it happen momentarily when I come back. Okay, I'm back, and you can see stage 1 is in effect. I'm going to zoom in on that. You can see here the price levels. Now, these levels will move up and down at the completion of each bar. Right now, this is the level we need to breach, but depending on the price action, it might move. So right when the bar closes, we'll get two new price levels, and if they are different, for example, if we closed above these, but it decided to move the price levels up, then we're not going to be in a completion of the state to enter an order. So it's kind of moves along, and you'll see that happen momentarily. Alright, I'm back. It's moved along a little bit. You can see the price levels moved up. The original price level was here, and by here we actually went through that, but because the price levels had moved up, we didn't close through it. The wick did on this bar, but the close of the bar has to be above. We'll wait a little longer. Okay, I'm back, and you can see when this bar closed, actually our price levels moved back down. So a little more aggressive. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, this bar is about to close, and you're going to see the trade enter.
Order filled.
There we are. We got an alert that you can capture with emails configuring NinjaTrader. If I move this, you can see this is our target. We have to close below that target. The target can move. Right now it's at 31.95. We'll see if that is maintained. It's all automatically moved for you. We have to close through it, so it's not actually a limit order that's been submitted. The system monitors the price levels, and the price action has to close through it in order to finish the trade. Alright, I'm going to pause and we'll see what happens. Alright, we're back. We took a little bit of heat on this trade, but it's starting to come back to our direction. I'll pause the video. Moving steadily in our direction. Double speed on the playback now. Back. Triple.
Order filled.
Okay. We're finished. Alright, so that's what a trade looks like. It trades completely automatically. You can leave it on for days, or you can turn it on and off. Another option is you can just use these indicators. You don't need the strategy. This is a separate indicator. This is a separate indicator down here. And there are additional indicators as well that help you to see why these levels are plotted at the price levels that they're at. Okay, so where can you get this system? Right here. automatictradingsignals.com. We accept all major credit cards, and all transactions are securely cleared through PayPal. You'll be redirected there on the checkout. Come to the home page, click on the version you want. I showed you the NinjaTrader one today, and this is the URL for it. And there's more information on the website, more performance results, more information. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.